Hi all, welcome back. In previous video we saw how to make a column unique. So we made phone number as unique at the time of table creation. Now we want to make sure EMP number also unique, that we could specify at the time of table creation. So you could drop the table and recreate by making EMP number as unique. But I don't want to drop the table and recreate again and again whenever we want to change something in the table structure. Instead, I want to alter the table structure. So let's go to the bottom and I am going to alter the table structure. So the structure is very simple. Alter table, then we need to specify the table name. So alter table name, then we want to add unique on which column? We want to make our EMP number as unique. So just drag the column and that's it. Now if you execute, you could see our table is altered by adding unique to EMP number. Now if you try to insert a value which is already there in the EMP number, say EMP number 5 is already there. So if you try to insert the value 5, you will get an error. Say if you try, you will get an error saying that EMP duplicate value. Say EMP value is 5 is already there, it's a duplicate. You must specify some unique value. So if you go to the data, you could see 1 to 8 is already there. So I'm going to give a value 9. So I'm specifying 9, and if I try to execute, this will give a success message. So if I try to retrieve the value, I could see there are 9 records are there and all the EMP value are unique. Similarly, all the phone number value are unique. So if I try to insert one more record with the EMP value 10 and with the same phone number, I will get an error. Say that the phone number is duplicate. 5 is already there. So we can't insert a duplicate record into EMP number as well as into the phone number. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.